Purdue will lead a new national center to develop brain-inspired computing for intelligent autonomous systems like drones and personal robots, which will be capable of operating without human intervention. Kaushik Roy, the Edward G. Tiedemann Jr. Distinguished Professor of Electrical and Computer Engineering, will direct the Center for Brain-Inspired Computing Enabling Autonomous Intelligence, or C-BRIC. Researchers at the center will work to develop autonomous intelligent systems capable of reasoning and decision-making to complete mission-critical tasks without human intervention, and do it using the same amount of energy as a human brain, unlike other advanced computers.
We've all been reading every single day about artificial intelligence and all the ways it's likely to change our world, all the possibilities that it will surface. And much of this work's already going on at Purdue, but now in a very, very visible and very important way. Some of the most important and noteworthy research is going to happen here.
The 5-year project is supported with a $27 million grant from the Semiconductor Research Corporation and involves several other universities, including Georgia Tech, Princeton, and USC. For more information on C-BRIC, click the link included with this story.